Understanding Judo Points in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, Judo Points. This term might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Let's dive into the world of language and uncover the meaning and usage of Judo Points. Judo Points is a phrase that's not commonly found in everyday English conversation. It's important to understand that this term is not standard and may be used in very specific contexts or might be a misinterpretation of similar-sounding words or phrases. In this section, we'll discuss the possible interpretations and origins of this term, and how it might be used in different contexts. To understand Judo Points, we first need to look at Judo, a martial art form. Judo is a sport where points are scored for various moves and holds. Understanding the basics of Judo can give us insight into how the term Judo Points might be applied metaphorically in other contexts. English is full of phrases borrowed from various fields, used metaphorically. Judo Points could be one such phrase. Here, we'll explore how terms from sports like judo are often used in everyday English to describe strategies, wins, and losses in non-sporting contexts, such as business or personal interactions. Sometimes, phrases like Judo Points can arise from misunderstandings or incorrect usage. In this section, we'll look at common mistakes people make with such phrases and how to avoid them, especially for English language learners. Understanding phrases like Judo Points can be a bit challenging, but it's a great example of how flexible and diverse the English language can be. Remember, context is key in understanding such terms. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of English language nuances. See you in the next video.